So no, you didn't read this thumbnail wrong. It's exactly as it reads. Goodbye, Microsoft Office. How's guys, what's going on? My name is Prashant, welcome back to techsceneza. Today, we're actually discussing the end of Microsoft Office. And if this is your first time here, you better make sure you subscribe because you're missing out on all the awesome stuff that we put out. So, it isn't actually the end of Microsoft Office. It's more especially the first major rebrand that Office has had in like the past 3 decades. And what's actually going to happen is Microsoft Office is going to be rebranded as Microsoft 365. So what is Microsoft 365? Microsoft 365 is actually Microsoft's response to a sort of software as a service situation which was set up many years ago as something the market actually required. It required a software as a service online. But it's moved away from just being online to actually being a sort of hybrid situation where it operates online, where you can do all the work that you need, as well as you can download the apps to your devices, have multiple devices which you can actively work on as well. On the 7th of November in 2022, Microsoft actually made it public that the 2021 version of Microsoft Office was the final version that is going to be releasing. Although they're saying 2021 is the end of Office, they will still continue selling one-time purchase licenses for Microsoft Office 2021. How does that affect you? So it isn't the end of the Microsoft applications that we know and love, Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint. What is actually going to happen is Microsoft 365 is going to be rebranded as Microsoft Office, and there's going to be continuous changes effected to Microsoft 365. It's ongoing changes and not every 3 years you get a new version. With that actually comes the change in pricing plan. So Microsoft Office, the yearly editions or the 3 yearly editions, those ones you could purchase a license and then you use it for lifetime. But with Microsoft 365, it actually is a yearly subscription to the software. It's a bit better and worse at the same time. Every year you pay your subscription, you get access to your full set of applications, as well as what gets thrown in is actually a terabyte worth of cloud storage with your license. So there's 2 different licenses which we can purchase. So the first is a personal package, which is for a single individual. It comes with access to all your applications, 1 user with 5 devices, and it also includes the 1 terabyte worth of free storage, and that will cost you 999 Rand for a year. So you also have the option of paying monthly as well. But what is actually more cost effective is a plan for a family. So a family plan is more suited between 2 to 6 people, and what it comes with 6 users, 5 devices for each user, 1 terabyte worth of storage for each user, as well as access to all the applications. So that works out a bit cheaper, 1,300 Rand per year. So it actually is more cost effective, and realistically speaking, you can buy it and you can say, hey, you know what, my friend, instead of buying your own license for 1,000 Rand, you know what, give me 200 Rand, 300 Rand, and you can have another license of mine. So you could buy it for yourself at 1,300 Rand and then sell it to other people, and it'll cover your cost of your license and everyone else's, if that makes sense. But I didn't suggest you doing that, right? So what are the benefits of actually using Office 365 and paying this 1,000 some odd Rand a year? So it's actually, the first thing is obviously the 1 terabyte worth of cloud storage. If you actually have to purchase the 1 terabyte worth of online cloud storage, it would work out much more than even that 1000 Rand or 1300 Rand that you'd be paying for the Office 365 subscription. So it is actually a win-win with the 1 terabyte. But some of the other things is the flexibility. So with the cloud storage, you can actually just drop files and download files across all your devices, and that's actually what we've been doing. Edited footage and edited files gets uploaded here, and I'm downloading it to my phone while I'm actually going somewhere, and I'm uploading it to social media or whatever like that, and I'm not waiting to have it copy and that sort of thing. One of the other advantages is the fact that we're going to receive automatic updates with Office 365, and it's as simple as that. As after you've installed it, it actually automatically updates to whatever updates, security patches and that sort of thing with Windows. So that is actually how this change is going to affect us. But I think it's a good thing, because that means we'll be constantly receiving updates to the software, and we'll be constantly receiving changes. But I think it was good to make this video to actually enlighten people of what the changes are going to be to Microsoft, because a lot of the technically inclined or computer, a lot of people just go into the store, buy a laptop, I want the license, finished. And it's good to enlighten people so that we aren't spending money or unnecessary money. So you know the cost directly of what this Office 365 license is going to be, and you can buy it directly from the Microsoft website. You don't need to actually go into a store. So that is the end of Microsoft Office. But I'd say, let's say a warm welcome to Office 365, and I mean, let's embrace it, because it has so much more to offer. As for Windows 11, whether it has so much more to offer, I don't know, that's another story for another video. But anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. If you do have any questions relating to Office 365 and its usages, please leave a comment down below and we'll try our best to answer your questions. But yeah, I do hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Prashant, and I'll see you in the next video.